Ever wondered if your crypto transactions could get even more private? Well, Coinbase is making some serious moves. Brian Armstrong just announced plans to bring private stablecoin transactions to Base, their Ethereum Layer 2 network. That means sending USDC or other stablecoins could be just as private as cash, but on the blockchain. Think about it. Your transactions, your business, no nosy middlemen. This could be a game changer for people who want more control and privacy with their money. Of course, regulators might have a thing or two to say about this, but it's clear. The future of crypto privacy is heating up fast. Now, let's talk Solana Saga. Remember that hyped up crypto phone from Solana? Big news. It's losing security updates and official support now that the new Seeker phone is out. If you bought the Saga, you're basically on your own. No more updates, no fixes, nothing. That's a tough pill to swallow for anyone who dropped cash on a phone that promised to be the next big thing in Web3. The lesson here? In crypto, technology moves fast, and sometimes the latest hardware doesn't stick around for long. And finally, you've probably seen Trump's name flying around on all these new meme coins. But here's the deal. President Trump's official memecoin isn't doing so hot. The hype train seems to have left the station, and the coin is struggling with poor performance and dropping prices. Meme coins can be wild. One minute they're mooning, the next they're tanking. So if you're thinking about getting in on the hype, remember, it's super risky, and this is not financial advice. Crypto is moving at a New York minute pace, and every day brings something wild. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.